These went viral for a reason. Listen to that crunch.
That crack? Hear that? It is absolute perfection. Today, we are making the ultimate high-protein snack, strawberry yogurt clusters. Step 1. Grab some fresh strawberries and dice them into small, bite-sized pieces. You want them small so they hold together in the yogurt mix. Next, add a generous cup of thick Greek yogurt. This is where the protein comes in. Add a touch of honey or your favorite natural sweetener for that perfect balance. Fold it all together gently until every single strawberry is coated in that creamy goodness. Now, scoop them into small clusters on a tray. Make sure they are nice and round. These look amazing already, but they need to be solid. Into the freezer they go for about 2 hours until they are completely firm. While we wait, let's prep the shell. High-quality dark chocolate is the way to go. Melt it down until it is silky smooth and glossy. Look at that shine.
Our clusters are frozen solid and ready for their chocolate bath.
Dip each cluster into the chocolate, making sure it is fully submerged. Let that excess drip off so you get a perfectly thin, crisp shell. The chocolate sets almost instantly because the clusters are so cold. A little pinch of sea salt on top really makes the flavors pop. One last quick chill to make sure everything is locked in place. And there you have it, the viral strawberry yogurt clusters that changed the snack game. It is like a healthy ice cream bar, but better. So creamy, so crunchy. Just look at those layers. It is the perfect guilt-free dessert for any time of day. You can keep these in the freezer for whenever those sugar cravings hit. I am telling you, you will not be able to eat just one. Simple, healthy, and absolutely delicious. This is your new favorite recipe. If you missed any steps, save this video right now so you can make it later. Seriously, go make these right now. Your taste buds will thank you. Don't forget to hit that follow button for more viral, healthy recipes like this. Like this video if you love strawberries and chocolate as much as I do. Subscribe for more, comment what I should make next, and share this with a friend who loves snacks.